when we received a Thunk3D handheld 3D scanner. The most important thing is to start the software on our computer or laptop. Thunk3D officially recommend Windows environment and NVIDIA as main GPU. So most of the laptops are qualified under this condition. But there are some exceptions, which is for the reason of USB protocol, may bring into disconnection. Since all marketing brand scanners require the similar PC configure, be sure to check your computer before you make any purchase. Once we fix the computer, please get the scanner, plug in, connect to PC USB 3.0, and power on. Then get the U-disk in the package and install Thunk3D hand scan software in our PC. Next, let's check the USB connection. Please find in the path Computer Management, Device Manager, Vision Facilities to see if there is TO2 well detected. If so, double-click to start the software. Then we're ready for 3D scan. If, unfortunately, the TO2 is with exclamation point, don't hesitate to contact Thunk3D Sales to get the solution. Thunk3D Technician will help you with a drive update, environment para to ensure the software working. When Thunk3D hand scan software is the first time installed in our PC, calibration is necessary. Calibration is the key factor to determine the scan accuracy. Please take it seriously. If the scanner is Archer S or Archer W model, there are both camera calibration and texture calibration. For Fisher S or Fisher W, there is only camera calibration. Picking the scanner up, we may notice there are two cool laser points for the purpose of indicating the best working distance. That's to say, we should always keep the 2 points as close as overlap during scanning to get better captures. For camera calibration, Thunk3D use 5 steps calibration solution. The first step is to calibrate horizontal position. Please put the calibration plate on the ground. Vertically lift the scanner until the 2 laser points overlap. Click the scan button to start. Then we notice the scanner is projecting light. Make sure the 5 big points are in the view. Vertically lift the scanner up and down until all these 3 buttons turned green. As it indicated here, the middle button is the best working distance, and the distance between upper and lower button is the tolerant depth of field. Then pause the button and forward. Secondly, calibrate the first side of the plate. Please pay attention, there is no strict sequence for each side. We could start from any side and end with a closed loop. Lift the first plate side with 30 angles off the horizon, or bend hand holding the scanner with 30 angles as the video. Keep the angles and overlap the 2 laser points. Then click button to start. Shift upwards and downwards until the 3 buttons are activated. Then pause the button and forward. Thirdly, calibrate the second side of the plate. Repeat the previous procedure. Fourthly, calibrate the third side of the plate and repeat the previous procedure. Lastly, calibrate the last side of the plate and repeat the same procedure. Once the 3 buttons are activated, the software will automatically go for calculating. Just wait a few seconds for the calibration result. Usually, the suggested result for Archer S and Fisher S is 0.1 mm or so. Archer W and Fisher W is around 0.2 mm. Extreme value is around 300. If the result is not as good as suggested, maybe we need recalibrate until the result is within the suggested scope. For color calibration, we could either calibrate a piece of A4 white paper or directly calibrate the colorful physical target. Click the scan button to start. We could see the scan colors are dynamically updating. When we consider the displaying color is infinite close to the paper white or the physical target color, tick to finish. Now, let's go for scan.